first of all, can you introduce yourself?
Well, my name is Geraint Lewis. I'm originally a Shawnee from the mining valleys of South Wales. I left Bull to come to Aberystwyth to learn Welsh, and in the process of that, I think I've mastered a bit of the language and tried to explain to other people the difficulties that I had when I was learning the language.
Tell us a little bit about the significance of today for you.
Well, I came here as a learner. I couldn't speak Welsh. After doing a couple of degrees here, I still couldn't understand some things. And in exploring what those things were, I'd like to think that I've helped other people on the way. And it seems to me that this is a realization that some of that might possibly have worked and might possibly have helped some other people who are in the same position as myself. That's what I look on it, and I'm very pleased to stand on the shoulders of those people who've helped me on my way.
And Aberystwyth, it's a special place. Why is it special for you?
Well, I've heard it said of Aberystwyth, it's the furthest point west. You cannot escape from Aberystwyth unless you swim. And so, for so many of us who came to Aberystwyth, we've remained here because of what it entails. I've fallen in love with the culture, the language, and even the people of the area, and consider myself now more of a Cardi than a Shawnee, and that could only possibly have happened in Aberystwyth.
Congratulations on being a fellow, and I hope you enjoy your day.
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much.